This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Mucoris Paediatric Nasal Drops are a reliable solution for providing relief from nasal congestion in children. Indications and uses. These nasal drops are indicated for managing nasal congestion due to various conditions, including common colds, sinusitis, and perennial allergic rhinitis. They work by effectively reducing nasal swelling and excessive secretion, allowing for easier breathing and restoration of comfort in daily activities. How it works. The drops function by narrowing the blood vessels in the nasal passages, which reduces swelling and congestion, enabling clearer airflow. Directions for use. For effective use, instill 1 to 2 drops into each nostril 1 or 2 times daily, or as directed by a physician. It is essential to clean the dropper after each use and to avoid sharing the product to prevent infections. Do not exceed 7 days of continuous use without consulting a healthcare professional. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nasal dryness, discomfort, headache, and irritation or burning sensation post-application. If any side effects worsen, it is advisable to consult a doctor. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised when using this product in individuals with heart diseases, diabetes, or hyperthyroidism. It should not be used if allergic to Xylometazoline or if there are pre-existing conditions affecting the nasal passages. FAQs. 1. What is the use of these nasal drops? They relieve nasal congestion caused by colds and allergies. 2. Can they be used daily? Only for the duration prescribed by your doctor, not exceeding 7 days. 3. Are there any side effects? Common effects include irritation or a burning sensation. 4. Can they be used in children? Yes, but only for ages 6 years and above with a doctor's recommendation. 5. How long does it take to work? Relief is usually felt within 5 to 10 minutes of application. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below.